Hey everybody, we're here doing some paranormal investigation today with Omar Elshabassy.
Hey. It's in the other room.
Oh shit, dude.
Oh, the REM pod's going off. You wanna... Oh
Alright,
gosh.
I feel it.
It's really...
I feel it.
It's like...
I've never heard it get that loud.
It was like maxed out.
Yeah, that's creepy.
Is anybody else's hair on their neck just sticking straight out?
Yeah, my.
Oh, these are for two. Oh my gosh. So we'll do a... probably like an EVP here in just a second. Oh my gosh.
Is that their way of telling us they don't want us in here?
Hey everyone.
We're so scared.
We're very scared. We have some activity going on, but we're here today doing some paranormal investigation with Omar Elshabassy and Lee Lewis. They live in a house next door, but they also own this property. It's an empty house, nobody lives here.
2021 is when I bought it.
Okay, how long had it been vacant, do you know?
Somewhere between 7 and 10 years.
Okay,
Yeah.
so it's been a while. It was built in 1915, so it's about 108 years old, and
We're located over here by the college,
Yeah.
2061 Brookside Drive, and it's an eerie house, so here
It's
to
an eerie
explore.
property.
Yeah.
it is. It's an eerie property. Thank you guys for letting us go out and do this.
Thank you for
Very
being
excited.
Happy to have you.
Yeah.
Thank you. Not everybody is though. I think something doesn't want us here.
That was intense.
It was.
That was loud.
Yeah, Alex, I don't think I've ever heard it maxed out like that
I
before.
haven't either.
My body just like went hot when that happened.
Okay, that's back on.
Okay. Look at this thing.
Yes, it is. Put the
Dude.
candlestick down.
Oh.
We should have brought a candle.
It died again?
That's weird, dude.
What's happening?
Let's talk to it.
It's just dead.
God dang.
It's working fine at the
It's
house.
completely dead. That was a brand new 9-volt I just put in.
Hey Alex, the battery on this is down to 1 bar now, but it keeps going. It goes back and forth between 1 bar to 2, and then it flashed like green full a few times.
Really?
Yeah.
Whoa, that's weird. Yeah, that's
It's been all over the
not
place.
normal.
Right now it's back down to 1 bar left.
Yeah. Anyone else want to ask anything?
Yeah, Alex, I can't tell what it is, but something's moving behind you.
What?
Is there like a curtain in there going crazy or something? Oh.
It's a snake.
Dude.
That's what we were just talking about. The kitchen. It got way more drafty.
Yeah, it is.
And the wind isn't blowing as fast as it was. It's the door out here.
Did you hear something weird?
I heard helter skelter.
Helter Skelter?
Oh.
Did you hear it?
I think I know. Yeah, I didn't know.
I heard it. Helter skelter. Door out here.
Is there someone here with us?
Here it said spirit.
Spirit?
It sounded like it said spirit.
Did you die in this house? I didn't quite catch that. Did you die here? Oh, that light just turned on.
Oh,
Just
it
now.
did.
No.
That motion light just came on.
Yeah, it did. Damn, I was recording that.
It just completely died. Oh my gosh. When did you just got that yesterday?
Just opened the package last night.
Wow. Hopefully you don't want us to leave, because we just want to talk to you. And I'd like to ask if you died here.
Like, it sounded like some static coming in, some,
On the
noise.
noise. Yeah.
and we didn't hear a beep.
Nothing
Because we
went
would have been
off.
like,
Yeah, we would have.
There's
Nothing.
some clear
We would have acknowledged it.
something happening, except the only time I didn't hear it is when I asked if it wanted us to leave.
yeah. I'm gonna turn it on while we're walking out.
That's the door?
That's the door.
I'm glad I didn't know that earlier when I came in here. Oh man.
Yeah, there's outside.
Yeah.
So that's the door that goes to the outside.
Oh, this is scary.
I told you.
Okay, so I'm actually getting something tracking here.
Really?
Yeah. No.
So,
It just
by
went
the water
away.
heater. Yeah,
Yeah.
where nobody was.
It was right there by the water heater. And now it's gone.
Yeah,
How do I turn this on?
You see the
just that switch.
Put that over there by the water.
You see the stuff just moving around? It was like, I don't want to freak anybody out, but it was like
Right next
child size. Yeah, it was right next to you, and it was like,
Your screen
it timed out. It was like child size.
to me. I
There's,
just got like.
Whoa, what was that?
What
I
was
can see that.
yeah, stuff like peeking out.
Yeah, it looked like something.
So it's not right there, actually. It's over here.
Oh, that's why I got. Did you hear me just say?
Well,
I
it
just
looked
got
like
chills?
I saw something like it looked like it ran across the floor between those two metal beams.
Oh, I didn't see that. I'm looking at this action right here.
See, it's brighter now.
Really?
Yeah.
Even then, like the dim setting,
Why is
after
this
like
going so
dims,
fast?
like it was.
What the fuck was that? I didn't push the button
I'm
yet.
not messing with it.
Dude. It's just being weird. Everything's being weird. You can see that? That light just turned on over there.
Oh.
Well, it wasn't the flashlight because I was doing that,
That's
but
true.
it might have been me.
Just
Stay
like
still
that.
for a second.
What'd you say, Zach?
See that shape right there?
Yeah.
Just, I don't think it's anything, but it looks like a person crouched down with their arms wrapped around their knees.
Oh my gosh. What?
It stopped as soon as I said to do that. Okay. No, it wasn't me. That light going on.
Okay.
Yeah, you're right.
Oh.
Oh, nope. I'm out. I'm coming up back over here.
If you're with us, will you tell us your name? Some kind of noise. Ooh, did you hear that?
Was it like breath?
Yes.
Yeah.
I heard that.
I thought that was you.
No.
I heard that.
Okay,
I went back a little too far, but
if you're with us, will you tell us your name?
it's after this. Yeah, right there.
Is it you?
I don't think so.
You're right.
Hmm.
If that was him, we would hear
We
it
would
more
have,
frequently.
yeah.
I think
We
so
would have been
too.
able to hear it more.
Yeah.
I definitely heard a little murmur and
Yeah.
a breath.
Yeah.
Sounds like a female.
Yeah.
Yeah, I
That
think so
little,
too.
like,
Okay, I'm gonna ask a couple questions. If there's something in here with us you can communicate, we'll be able to hear it over this device.
Testing. Did you hear that?
Yeah.
You said testing.
If you're here, can you acknowledge us in some way? Whoa. That sounded like something, I think. I didn't think that sounded like radio. What's your name? Whoa. Do you want to talk to us?
Yes, that was a yes. That was a yes.
That was a yes.
That was. That sounded like I'm sorry.
Did you die here? It sounded like the same voice that said, yeah, a minute ago, or yes. Can you tell us how old you are?
6. I heard
6?
6.
I just want to know your name, if you can try to tell us your name. What did that sound like?
Armor.
Does anybody else hear music?
I do like.
I hear a hissing sound. It sounds
I do too.
I hear something, but I've had pressure on the side of my face for a long time now.
Let me turn this off for just a second. I swear.
It sounded like steam.
Yeah, I
I've
thought.
had- yes.
I
It sounded
thought
like steam.
I thought I heard like a hot water heater.
Maybe that's what I was hearing.
Yeah,
But there's no way that.
that's what I was wondering. Like, if the gas was still somehow hooked up.
I definitely heard a couple responses that
Yeah.
Yeah.
didn't sound like a radio.
Back and see what it,
Yeah.
Yeah.
The first
That'll
two
be
times
nice.
you asked what its name was, it sounded like the same sound, but I couldn't tell
Yeah.
what it said.
Yeah, I agree. I don't like that noise we heard.
Yeah.
So, just so you know, we have a microphone downstairs. We're upstairs listening to it. I'm gonna put this before the part we just heard, so you're about to hear us. I'm about to play. God, I can barely even talk. We heard a freaky noise, and I'm about to start that right now. I just wanted to preface this by saying what we're doing, and now listen to this noise we're about to hear. Okay.
That means you have to stay still.
what happened?
You have to stay still. Did you hear that?
Yeah. Sorry.
Smart.
A deep moan from
I know. Yeah.
Well, why can we hear it in there and not?
I don't know.
That's what I'm wondering. Yeah.
Is there a car?
We should be able to hear that.
Yeah.
Yeah, absolutely.
It's super weird.
Gosh.
Yeah.
And I heard it when you first started it, and I thought it was a car outside.
I did too.
That's really strange.
Yeah. Okay, I guess I'll go collect it. That freaked me
That
out.
was weird.
That was
Yeah.
the most freaked out I've been all night.
Yeah.
It sounded like, it sounded like a
Oh,
A monster. A demon. Ugh, a demon.
Don't say the D word.
It's a child trying to be scary.
No.
There's not a car outside.
did you hear that?
And it did it again.
What was I just hearing? Back here.
Did it sound like voices? Because when Tracy and I were about to go downstairs, I literally said, "Did you hear that?"
Sound like
It
what?
sounded like people were talking behind her.
No. It didn't sound like that, but it sounded like.
Outside it.
Did it sound like shh?
Yeah, it kind of
Because
sounded like
that's
that.
what that's what I heard through that.
That's what I heard.
Was it going through that?
sound that we heard.
Oh yeah, the hissing sound.
That we heard earlier while we were down
Hey, thank you guys for letting us do this.
Of
It was
course.
fun. We
Yeah, that's
appreciate you letting us come out here.
It was interesting.
This
It
is
kind
cool.
of confirmed our suspicions.
Yeah. Yeah, you have got a spooky vibe from this place, I
We
guess.
always call it the haunted house.
The haunted house. I think there's definitely something going on.
there. Yeah.
I think the weirdest thing for me was that REM pod.
Dying 3
Yeah.
times. Yeah, that was crazy.
And again, the fact that there's no electricity on,
Mm-hmm.
it just kind of
Right.
there shouldn't be any interferences. You know,
Yeah.
with electronics.
Exactly.
And the tack in the shoe.
Or
That was weird.
the deep guttural
deep-
noise
yeah.
at the end.
Big growl.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
All right, well, thank you again, guys.
Absolutely.
Thank you.